Hi guys, is there a difference? Please ignore how I look. I've been through so much today, guys. I've been through so much. I don't even want to get into it. We are trying out the microphone today for the first time, the DJI Mic Mini. So this is my first time actually trying it on. I haven't done any settings, just plug and use. And I saw a video talking about how to like turn on the noise cancellation because it actually has noise cancellation. So I'm just going to try to do it now. I'm going to turn on the Bluetooth, connect it to my phone, and then set it up from my phone, I guess. I don't even know what I'm doing at this point. These mics are just confusing the hell out of me. I guess we are going to do like a proper test in one of my vlogs, so maybe stay tuned for the next vlog. Today I'm really not in a great mood. I lost my Instagram account and I've still not gotten it back, so I don't even have the patience for this mic to piss me off. I'm just going to figure it out and get back to you guys. But overall, I just like the size and everything about this mic. Hopefully it is everything they said it is. We're going to figure that out in my vlogs. Okay, for now, I just wanted to show you guys that I got a new mic. So I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys. Mwah.
Behind closed doors, I'm a fool for your love.